What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. You know I had to make this specialty video because Travis just blessed us, hopefully. But before we get started, man, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, it's We Don't Cook Food. Now that we got that out of the way, as you can see from the title of the video, Travis Scott, aka LaFlame, aka call him what you want, whatever, just don't call him broke, just dropped the Air Max 270 Cactus Trail Raffle. I wanted to go ahead and fill out the form for you guys in case you missed it, just so you guys could see what the actual process was like. So the drop itself actually went live at around 8:33, and I think it was honestly up for about half an hour if most. As you can see, all sizes were up like this, and unbeknownst to everybody at the time, they're actually tracking IP addresses, as you can see here. So the whole thing with the drop was that, let's say you have 5 emails or 5 accounts or whatever that you're doing over your Wi-Fi, I guess you would just be disqualified over it. So your best bet for this drop was to enter the raffle both on your Wi-Fi and on your data, say like on your phone, to at least give you two different chances. Now I went ahead and also looked up the resale value of these at the time because I wanted to have an idea of how they were doing, and let's just say they definitely went down in price. Just the other day, they were like $1,000 and now they're down to 600, but let's kind of take a look and see why. So despite Travis basically turning anything he touches into gold lately, I feel like this is one of the weaker collabs that he's done with Jordan and Nike. As you can see, we have cooked up the ones, the lows, and the sixes, and even the fours, but honestly, this is probably the ugliest shoe I've seen of his besides that one basketball shoe that's slipping my name right now. I mean, my mind right now. The shoe itself, I guess, isn't terrible, but I don't know, man. Something about it is just really low effort to me. I think that everything from just the silhouette itself was just garbage, and I don't know, but maybe it's something that'll grow on me. Just because it's different doesn't mean it's bad, and I definitely believe that. So let me know in the comments what you guys would do, like how you would style them, what you would wear them with. Now, another thing about this raffle is that it looks like it ended up actually closing in about 30 minutes, so I'm thinking that this was super short-lived. I guess if you were to get the actual email, this is what it would say. So I found this tweet that actually says the terms and conditions for it, the actual winning raffle, but I guess what happens is you would get an email, you would then have to verify your information, you have 30 minutes from the actual email, and you would then be able to purchase. Now, the actual raffle closed in about 30 minutes, and this is what the website looked like. At the time of recording this, I had no idea what was going to happen. I think that this is probably the quickest the raffle has been, and honestly, I didn't think that anyone would actually win. I had a feeling that all of his pairs were being backdoored, and I thought that, it was just kind of impossible, basically like a sneakers L, but sure enough, the raffle closed in about 30 minutes. All I could do was close my eyes, cross my fingers, and believe it or not, before I finished recording this video, I got an email, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Now, in case you can't hear my voice crack, I'm actually really excited and shaking. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw the actual confirmation up, but your boy actually cooked a pair. We really out here. This is what it looks like. Luckily, I was able to hit for retail with the retail of 197. I'm going to go ahead and throw the actual StockX numbers up right now. I think I could get about 600 for them if I were to sell. Of course, they will go down by the time they get to me, but I just want to get your guys' opinion, man. I'm very fortunate, as you can see, that I have hit on Travis Scott's retail a couple of times. So, again, this is the actual picture of the sneaker. Hit a size 11. Size 11 is on the way, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm pretty geeked about that. But honestly, I never thought that these raffles were real. I'll definitely compose my thoughts more. And of course, once they come in, I'll do like an unboxing and even like an on-feet video if I get them sold, of course. But yeah, man, as I was making this video, I actually hit on these. So let me know what you guys think. Were you able to hit on them as well? What are your thoughts and opinions? Like I said, they're not my favorite. I think out of all the Travis Scotts, maybe the lows with the, or the dunks rather, the SBs, probably my favorite just because they were so limited and we did get them from the skate shop. So yeah, man, what can I say? I can't believe that we just cooked a pair of Travis Scotts again. for retail, this time off a raffle. So let me know what you guys think, man. Do you think the raffle's fair? Should it be bottable again? And shit, if you need the size 11, hit your boy up. Thank you guys for cooking with us, and as always, stay safe. Peace.